In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a loyalty campaign. Loyalty campaigns are great for getting customer interaction to come into the business and buy product in order to receive a free product. So let's get into it. Let's create our first loyalty campaign. You want to create a new campaign here, and our title is going to be, I'm just going to call it New Loyalty. Our client name and the office phone for the client. Always make sure you put a country code for good measure. Alright, just like in the keyword campaign, there's several features found in the loyalty campaign that can be seen inside of the keyword campaign. So refer to the keyword campaign for items in specific that are related to the keyword campaign as well, like the logical triggers and how to use the SMS autoresponders and advanced features. So let's get into creating our first campaign. First, we want to describe our campaign messages. Just like in a keyword campaign, it's similar here, but we want to select the country of the short code we want to use. If we want to use short code to use loyalty. Next, we want to choose enter how many times a customer must text in before the deal is unlocked. So they must text in 3 times. In the winner message, congrats, you win a free latte. And then the loser message is, sorry, you need, and you want to use the merge head to go. It'll show the number here. More visits to get a free latte. And then if they enter the wrong keyword of the day, and I'll show you how to set the keywords of the day here in a second. Sorry, that keyword is not valid today. And then if they've already entered into this program for loyalty, you can say, sorry, you already took part in this campaign. Now, all is not lost. You can always tell them to get into another campaign by texting in the keywords of the days after the third one. I'll show you how to set that up here in a second. So we've set up these items inside of our campaign. Click on Save. We want to choose our phone number, update, save. We can add an offer expiration date. So we're going to say 5 days. They can redeem their free latte. And let's come up here. Great, you want a free latte. Offer expires. And then we want to use the date tag. Click on Save. We can have double opt-in subscribers. See the training inside keyword for that. Winner office notification, that's the same as the lead notification inside the keyword. See training for that. So next we want to set up our loyalty keywords. Enter the date the keyword is valid. So we want to put in, so I've already set up my first 3 days, which covers 3 redeems here. So we're going to put our date the keyword is valid. We want to do the year, the month, and the day. And I've already have one for the 25th, 26th, 27th. You never want to have the days crossing over. So no 2 keyword of the days should have the same dates. So if you want to have just one keyword last all week, you can do that. Just make sure that the next keyword doesn't fall any of the same dates that you set up here. So I've already set up to the 27th, so the 28th is going to be my 4th one. And this allows users who have already won to re-enter the contest under recycle into the contest again for their visit. So you'd want to set up keywords beyond that date. You can always import CSV of all the dates, so you don't have to go through this entire process over and over again. You can just use the CSV. But the keyword for this day is going to be latte 4. And if you're using short codes, make sure you set up a short code and get a keyword for each day and select it here. So I'm going to click on save. So now what's going to happen is a customer is going to come through. They're going to text in their first day. We're going to tell the customer to text in latte 1, and they're going to get this message here because they haven't won yet, because our winning number is 3. The next day they're going to come in, text in latte 2. They're going to get this message here. And let's say the next day he comes in and he accidentally texts in the same keyword again. He's going to get the message, sorry, you have the wrong keyword, that's not valid for today's date. So the clerk's going to say text in latte 3. Once he texts that in, he's going to become a loyalty winner. He's going to appear in the loyalty winner list. It's the same winner list that you've seen inside the contest and the trivia. And if he texts in again on that third time, he's going to get, congrats, you win a free latte. Offer expires on this date, so he can redeem that now with the cashier on any visit between the time he gets this SMS till the end date of the expiration. So this concludes the training on using the loyalty campaign inside of the SMS gateway. One thing before we go, you do have the option here where you can present QR codes to the customer, and this will automatically propagate their phone to text in the keyword of the day, so they don't have to actually physically do it. This concludes the training again on the loyalty campaign inside of the SMS gateway.